In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share an Amazon product list link. First, go to Amazon, open your preferred web browser, and head to the Amazon homepage. Make sure you're signed into the account that owns the list you want to share so you see the correct options and lists. If you use bookmarks, opening Amazon from there is fine as long as you end up on the main site. Next, open Accounts and Lists. On desktop, you'll find this at the top right of the page. Hover over it or click it to reveal more options. This is where Amazon keeps all your personal tools, including orders, account settings, and, importantly for us, your lists. Click Your Lists. This takes you to a page showing all the lists tied to your account. These might include wish lists, shopping lists, or custom idea lists. Each list works the same way for sharing, so pick the one that fits your purpose. Open the list you want to share. Double-check that it contains the items you intend to show to others. It's a good moment to remove any duplicates or private items you don't want to include. Keeping your list tidy makes sharing cleaner and easier for everyone who will view it. Now, click Invite or Share. On most list pages, you'll see an Invite or Share button near the top, usually alongside options like Manage List. Click it to open the sharing panel. This is where you decide how others can interact with your list. Choose your permission level. Select View only if you want people to see the items but not make changes. This is the recommended choice for most situations, especially when you're sharing publicly or with a large group. If you need help building the list with someone you trust, select View and Edit. That setting lets them add, remove, or modify items. Be cautious with edit access. Only use it with collaborators you know and intend to work with. Copy the link. After you pick the permission, Amazon will generate a unique shareable link. Use the copy option to place it on your clipboard. This link reflects the permission you just set, so there's no need to send separate instructions. Finally, send it anywhere. Paste the link into an email, a text message, a chat app, or a group thread. You can even post it in a community or on social media if you chose view only. Recipients can click the link and instantly see your list. That's all it takes. Go to Amazon, open Accounts and Lists, click Your Lists, select your list, hit Invite or Share, choose View Only or View and Edit, copy the link, and send it wherever you like.